Hi team, for today's workout we're going to be working our way down a ladder. We're going to be doing rack pulls and sprints on the ski erg. You're going to start with 10 reps, so 10 rack pulls, and then you're going to do 10 calorie sprint on the ski erg. Then you're going down to 9 calories, 8, 6, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's going to be a bit of a challenge, but I want you to push hard, try and limit your rest. With your rack pull, load it up. I want you to go the max that you possibly can for your 10 reps, okay? And then you just leave it there as you go down. It'll get easier and easier as you go. All right, here we go. Okay, so down to 9 reps, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This will get the heart rate up, I promise you.